Hi everyone, my name is Jackson and welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to share with you a school in the United States of America that is waiving GRE and GMAT. All you have to do is submit your CV, your transcripts, and then pay the application fee. I'm going to share with you my screen so you know the school and then the procedure. So today's school in review is Bowling Green State University. Bowling Green is more than 100 years old and is a public university. Bowling Green is located in Bowling Green in Ohio. It was founded in 1910 and is situated on two campuses totaling 1,358 acres. It has nearly 100 buildings. Bowling Green State University offers more than 200 undergraduate majors and programs, as well as graduate and online programs. So now here's the good news. Bowling Green is temporarily waiving GRE and GMAT requirements for all master's programs. So you see all master's degree programs and graduate certificate programs. So if you are applying to any program for 2023 and 2024, Bowling Green is waiving GRE and GMAT. Now let's consider some of the programs that Bowling Green offer. So let's look at their academic session and see some of the master's programs they offer. So we can see from their website they have accounting masters, they have analytics, they have applied geospatial, they have architecture, they have history. They have so many courses. If you want to really study in Bowling Green, you can offer the way. So if you're an accounting student, I have good news for you. To apply to Bowling Green Masters in Accounting program is now straightforward. Note, you do not require letters of recommendation, statements of purpose. They are not required. So all you need to do is to submit one transcript from every college or university where a degree was awarded. So you just have to submit your transcript. We already know GRE and GMAT have been waived. And then you add your most recent resume or CV. That's all. For domestic applicants, you are required to pay $45, which is non-refundable, and then for international applicants you are required to pay $75, which is also non-refundable. So all you have to do is you click on the link here to register. If you are a returning user, you just click on login. If it's the first time, you click in to create an account, and it's very simple. All you need is your email address, your first name, your last name, your date of birth, then you just continue.